So this is how to step-by-step set up your Xiao Hong Shu account in 2025. So businesses are losing leads without Xiao Hong Shu. If your business is still relying on Facebook and Instagram in 2025, you are already late. Right now, there's one platform where thousands of Singaporeans, especially Chinese-speaking customers, are searching daily for cafes, good food, beauty salon, real estate, services and products. And guess what? Most business owners haven't even set it up correctly. So this video will show step-by-step how to properly set up your Xiao Hong Shu account in 2025. Position your personal brand and start attracting organic leads without spending a single cent on ads. Let's begin. So first of all, take out your phone, download Xiao Hong Shu app on your phone or laptop. After downloading the app, use your phone number, Apple account or WeChat account to register an account. You will need an OTP from Xiao Hong Shu for registering your account. And here's where many people will ask whether using a China phone number will help with the algorithm or stuff. For me personally, I have a Singapore phone number and China phone number since I married a Chinese wife. But I personally feel that it doesn't matter which phone number you're using because you don't have a Chinese IC and you'll still lose out on some benefits of Chinese social media platforms, which I will mention on the next video. So after registering your account, you will be inside a page like this, and congratulations, you've just successfully created a Xiao Hong Shu account. But you're not done yet, okay? If the language is in Chinese and you prefer English language like me, you can go to Settings, General, Language and Translation, and change the interface language to English. Also go to Settings, Account Security, and set your password for Xiao Hong Shu account. In case you lose your phone, you lose your number, you can't log in forever. Okay, next up, we will have to fix the most basic thing, which is your profile. So your Xiao Hong Shu profile is not just a page, it's your digital business card in the Chinese ecosystem. When someone lands on your profile, you have 3 seconds to convince them. Is this person trustworthy? Is this relevant to me? Or should I follow or DM him or her? So every part, your profile photo, your banner, your bio must sell credibility. Your goal is to make them think that this person knows what they are talking about. So once they believe that, leads will come naturally. So first step is to use your real name plus your role or your company's name if you have a company. For me, I built a personal IP around my business and I started off as a micro-influencer on Xiao Hong Shu. So I put my name as Kingsley 在新加坡. Since people who search for Singapore, will find me, and I do have a few more different accounts managed by my team just to push out more content which their name are more business oriented, and we call it 矩阵. Okay, so if you are doing a business, you might want to consider putting your company's name plus the service you are providing. Second step is to choose a clean professional photo, but not too casual, but not overly corporate, like put your face so obvious that even without tapping in, they can see your face clearly. Third step, okay, add keywords into your bio. If you are a property agent in Singapore, you might want to optimize keywords like 新加坡房产, 新加坡买房, 新加坡 HDB, or any other most searched keywords in Xiao Hong Shu, as they help to categorize your account and make it more searchable. Fourth step, do not include your contact details, WhatsApp, WeChat. Xiao Hong Shu is very strict when it comes to 引流, meaning we direct the leads out of the platform. Think of it like Xiao Hong Shu wants you to stay in the platform as long as possible, since it's a social media platform. Duh, okay? If you direct people outside Xiao Hong Shu to other apps, it's violating their policy and they will restrict your content reach, mute your private messages, or worst of all, ban your account. So for the right way of both unofficially and official ways to direct and getting people's WhatsApp, WeChat or contacts in Xiao Hong Shu, you can click on the link in the description to download a free PDF I've prepared for you. Now let's talk more about the content. Okay, don't rush to post random things. Your first post should be planned like your opening statement. Let me give you a bonus actionable tips that you can apply immediately and see results. Get a few good photos of you, probably in your profession or something that looks good, okay? So start your first post as an introduction post, who you are, what you do, and why you're on Xiao Hong Shu. Okay, take for example a title. 大家好，我是 You come from which country? 你的国家，你的名字。我是新加坡本地人，我是一名会计师，在新加坡 CBD 上班。今天要跟大家分享更多关于新加坡工作跟我的日常。And here comes the important part, that is a hashtag specifically for your first post in Xiao Hong Shu. Hashtag 我的第一篇小红书. By using that particular hashtag, you can gain traction and followers immediately if your photo and work is interesting enough, okay? This is just the beginning. Remember that your goal is not chasing likes, you are building a personal IP. You have to give people enough reason to follow you through what you share. So after your first few posts, your job is to engage, don't disappear, okay? Reply to every comment, start doing your research. You need to study your niche and topics in your country that is most popular. Start creating contents and posting daily. There are also templates in Xiao Hong Shu where you can use to create 15 seconds, 30 seconds video almost instantly if you don't have enough time to create content every single day. Xiao Hong Shu rewards active creators and engagement equals to exposure. Engagement is the new currency of the algorithm. So now that your foundation is strong, here's your 30-day action plan. Post every single day about something popular in your country that you think that people might be interested in. It doesn't have to be related to your profession, but you do have to post something related to your work or services you're selling here and there. Okay. At the end of the 30 days, analyze your top 3 performing posts and refine your direction. Remember, Xiao Hong Shu is not about perfection, it's about consistency, reliability, and value. So if you want me to show you how to turn this setup into actual leads and paying clients, make sure to subscribe and watch the next week's video on why every Singapore business needs Xiao Hong Shu in 2025 or get left behind. Okay, I'll see you there.